The brand new Te Hiku Sports Hub in Kaitāia is now open after decades of development and fundraising.
Yeah, it got government money. It attracted pūtea from other sources.
$3 million of ratepayer funding from our targeted rate, from our ward rate here in Te Hiku, has gone towards this facility. And on top of that, this facility here is valued at $20 million. So huge value for our money.
Far north, Northland has got a really high drowning rate. So the opportunity to be able to now give a tamariki the opportunity to be able to get in, familiarising yourself with the water in a nice controlled environment, will give them those skills needed, or give them that confidence when they do go out into the open water, because that's where the drownings are happening.
It's drug and alcohol free through the whole facility and on the whole site. Anyone can come here and achieve whatever their goals are, whether it's swimming, learning to swim. Pools are very expensive to operate, and they need ancillary support to work, and the gym provides a reasonable amount of that, and the balance between the pool and the gym is an important balance. Pools are very technical things. There's a massive amount of infrastructure in this room that we're in now. The pool hall, there's a heck of a lot more under this floor than you can see above it.
These pools are totally fully tiled, epoxy grouts. The systems we're running, the air handling, the heating and so on, is state of the art.
My kids have been doing swimming lessons in a swim spa because we didn't have a big public pool that was available to all of the community. And I can tell you now, with Te Hiku Sports 20 beaches within 20 minutes, there's one thing our kids need to do, and that's to learn how to swim.
Get in there with your children, with your mokos, and show them that you're not scared of being in the water yourselves, and just have fun. Come to the beautiful Sports Hub and you'll be able to access all of these wonderful pools and different depths and different temperature opportunities. So just come along.